Hi guys, here we are in the Nichesss emails tools section. So moving quickly on. So if you're not using email, I think you should. It's still one of the staples of business. It can be a little bit problematic, thinking of subjects and what you want to say in your emails. So Nichesss really helps out here. I tweak these quite a bit, but they give me real inspiration. Anyway, let's just see. Phil's Marketing. Here's the name of the business. Keyword that describe your business. Online marketing help for small businesses. I need to spell that right. Okay. All right. So what do you want to talk about? I want to talk to them about their last Instagram post. So your last Insta post. Because we want to get their attention. It's about them. It's not about us. The type of business you have, helping small businesses win online. Okay, that's what it's about. And what your business does. We help small businesses get new customers. Okay, that'll do. What the email is going to talk about. What do you mean? Your last Insta post. Okay, let's go. We'll hit generate. Remember, Nichesss only takes 60 seconds to develop a full marketing plan, a full email plan, a full product plan. It's incredibly quick, and at the moment, it's unlimited credits. So we're not worried about burning through credits. So let's click onto Phil's Marketing, the email section, and see what it's got for us, guys. Okay, so email subject, fun, blank, wins award for using, put anything in there. Phil's Marketing wins award for using non-stick pancake pans. I don't know. Someone's catch your attention. 10 wines you should drink before you die. I like that one. Okay, you won't believe what just happened to me, and you have to see it to believe it. Nice one to put a video in there. 37 tips for getting more customers, and maybe narrow that one down to about 17. Okay, email subject generic, your last Insta post. Okay, next one, your last Insta post was good, but you could have done better if you'd done these 3 things. Excellent. Okay, you're going to lose your audience on Instagram. Fantastic, a little bit of fear there. Okay, let's go down to the email subject sales. 3 days of free marketing. Don't miss out. I like that one. Could be tweaked very nicely, that. 10 hot new products you can start selling next week. If you're in a particular industry niche, that would work really well. 25% off all services. Last day to get your discounts. Fear of missing out in there. Really useful, guys. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Email subject and body. Your last Insta post. Last Friday you posted, we just made a sweet video for a new product, etc. How to get 200 likes on your Insta post in, 1 hour. Pretty cool, guys. How to generate more sales on Instagram. Guys, these are really useful for either putting in straight away, depending on your business. Again, about 40% of the output is ready to go, in my opinion. For the emails, I tend to treat them because I'm talking to an audience that I know, and they're my audience, and they expect a particular kind of voice and tone. But it's really useful, guys. It's really quick. You're not burning credits. Use it for inspiration. And that's it, guys. It's how you use the email tool, and use it at your leisure. Okay, that's all I got for you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.